Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to do a review on the Only Fire camp stove. This is model TOP 2307-GS331GNB, and I'll put a link in the description. So the housing is metal. It has these wire legs. They're made out of steel. The igniters, the flame control knob, and the handle, those are all plastic. But everything is steel, and it actually has some pretty nice latches for the top. So right here you can see the propane connection, and there's the latch, and it has these two hinges for the top. This is just the left side of the stove, and it again has the latch and the two hinges. So here's the camp stove opened up. You can see the burner on the right has a little bit of discoloration. So I actually took these pictures after I did the test that you'll see coming up in a minute. So that's why it is discolored. So this just shows the grate removed, and it removes very easy, so it wouldn't be hard to get in there and clean, but this bottom part is attached. I could not get that to come loose. So here is the hinge, and they're pretty heavy. They're heavier than I thought they would have been. And right there at the top of the screen, you can see that is where the fitting for the propane will go. So here's a view of the bottom. The legs for that do have notches so that when it's sitting on a table, it won't just collapse on its own. But you want to make sure that they are locked in the little notches that they have cut out. So again, here's a view of the bottom with the legs folded in, and you can see the notches that the legs go into. Make sure that those are locked in. Yeah, that fell out. Alright, well, it's got some instructions. Okay, so here it is. Here's where your propane's going to hook up. Legs out here. Stand it up. That. Open that. Okay, so does not have the wind guards. That is very easy to take out for cleaning, so that's kind of nice. Now what I'm going to do is I have 2 cups of water, and we're going to see how long it takes to come to a good rolling boil. Here's the control, or the hose tubing. Screw that in. Here is the tank. I have not lit this yet, so one of the burners were on. So, all right, let's okay, well, it's lit on the very first. Pour my cups of water in there. Get the stopwatch. Turn this all the way up. Wide open. Almost 3 minutes. Starting to get some bubbles down there. About 4 minutes, it's just starting to boil a little bit. Five minutes, it has a pretty good boil. Now this is 2 cups of water. Stop it there. Here's 520. Okay. So 5 minutes, 18 seconds, 19 seconds to bring it to a good boil. So I think this will work. I'll put a link in the description for it.